Best New Pickup Trucks of 2022. Pickup trucks are hugely popular, and many models offer more off-road and towing capabilities than most people need. The good news is that the resurgence of smaller trucks makes the body style even more accessible price-wise while maintaining a notable amount of versatility and capability. From entry-level work trucks and heavy-duty haulers to hybrid-powered and high-performance models, these pickups are the very best of the breed. Ford Maverick. Although the nameplate originally was used on a less-than-stellar compact car line in the 1970s, Ford has revived the Maverick name for its new small pickup truck, and has slotted it into the lineup below the midsize Ranger. This time, the Maverick is an impressive package worthy of an Editor's Choice Award. Instead of sharing parts and mechanicals with the Ranger, the Maverick rides on the same chassis as the Bronco Sport compact crossover. The standard powertrain is a hybrid setup that consists of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, an electric motor, a continuously variable automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive. Hyundai Santa Cruz. Don't get it twisted, the new 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz is a pickup truck. Its smaller proportions and unibody construction just mean it's no full-size tow rig, but we still like it enough to put it on our Editor's Choice list. Instead, think of the first Hyundai pickup as an alternative to the also unibody Honda Ridgeline, which too features a one-size-fits-all crew cab, short bed body style. The Santa Cruz certainly looks more distinct than the Honda or any other midsize truck, for that matter, with its interesting face and creased sheet metal. Rivian R1T. The futuristic R1T is an all-electric pickup truck from new American startup brand Rivian, and it promises 300 miles of driving range and lightning-quick acceleration, enough to earn it an Editor's Choice Award. At 215.6 inches long, the crew cab-only R1T splits the difference in size between midsize pickups such as the Ford Ranger and full-size trucks such as the Ram 1500. Honda Ridgeline. The 2022 Honda Ridgeline is incredibly versatile, mixing some of the best attributes of both midsize trucks and crossovers, which earns it a place on our Editor's Choice list. The cargo box is obviously its defining feature, and it includes an underfloor trunk and a short but wide bed. Despite some truck-like styling cues, Honda's pickup can't hide its unibody construction, which limits its off-road capability and maximum tow rating but optimizes on-road comfort. Chevy Colorado. The 2022 Chevrolet Colorado satisfies shoppers who want the versatility of a traditional pickup without the compromise of a full-size truck. While the half-ton Chevy Silverado 1500 offers a family-sized backseat and higher towing capacity, the midsize Colorado is easier to maneuver and still boasts a notable maximum tow rating of 7,700 pounds. GMC Canyon. The 2022 GMC Canyon is well suited for folks who want some of the capabilities of a full-size pickup truck but in a midsize package. That mission starts with its sturdy body-on-frame construction, extends to its potent V6 and torquey diesel engine options, and culminates in a maximum tow rating of 7,700 pounds. Jeep Gladiator. The 2022 Jeep Gladiator pickup truck requires sacrificing comfort for coolness and usefulness. For folks who love the Jeep brand, that sacrifice is easy to make considering the added versatility its pickup possesses over the popular Wrangler SUV. Not only does the Gladiator also have removable body panels and the inherent ability to play in the dirt and mud, but it can tow 2 tons more and has a cargo bed that adds another dimension to its skill set. Ram 1500. Pickups have a variety of talents, but the 2022 Ram 1500 is more talented than most half-ton trucks because it's significantly nicer. Sure, the entry-level models aren't lined with the luscious materials and upscale features of the priciest trims, but they still ride better than the fanciest alternatives thanks to its more sophisticated suspension, which can be made cushier with the available air springs.